Welcome to the recorded demo video of Human Resource Management System for Employee. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the HRMS module from the available options. The user will be taken to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the employee dashboard. Upon successful login, the user's live location is tracked as part of the authentication process. For each login, the system uses color coding to help employees track their hours. This includes indicators for absence, leave approval, working less than 8 hours, and other statuses, all covered accordingly. Select the Apply for Leave option from the dashboard menu to submit a leave application. The leave chart, leave status, and leave application form will be displayed. Select the relevant leave type within the leave application form. Enter the from date and to date for the leave. The total number of leave days will be automatically filled in. Enter the reason for leave in the corresponding field provided. After completing the form, click on the Apply button. After submitting the application form, the user can view the status of the leave application. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.